Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome again in your English class. In our previous lecture we have done reading and book work, and in today's work we will start our written work. So first of all, write date of today in left column, mention classwork in center, and write today's day in right column. Then mention unit number 1, lesson number 1, then topic, write topic, elephants, Rowans, and then underline the topic. Write words, English meanings and Urdu meanings. First of all, write first word teak, a tree of valuable timber, sagwan. Second, log, a large piece of tree's trunk, tana ya shatir. The third one is jammed, blocked, band, ruki hui. Number 4 is bustling, busy, full of activity, masroof. And the fifth one is spades, light, halka pulka. Number 6, tinkling, a ringing sound, घंटी की आवाज़. Number 7, evidently, apparently, ज़ाहरी तौर पर. Number 8, upheaval, sudden change, इनकलाब, अचानक तब्दीली. Number 9, forage, search for food, खुराक की तलाश. Number 10 is fetters, chain for ankles, बेड़ियाँ. Then stammer, falter, हिकलाना. Then the last word is succulent, full of juice, रस भरी. Then we will write word sentences. The first word is temper, mizaj. Ali lost his temper and slapped him. Ali ने अपना मिजाज या तवाज़न ज़ब्त खो दिया and slapped him, और उसे थप्पड़ मारा. fetters, बेड़ियाँ. He tied the tiger with fetters. उसने टाइगर को बेड़ियों के साथ बांधा. Number 3, tinkling, घंटी की आवाज़. The tinkling of bell feels good from distance. घंटियों के बजने की आवाज़ फासले से भली महसूस होती है. Number 4 is spades. He ate spades meal at night. वो रात के वक्त हल्का फुल्का खाना खा उसने रात के वक्त हल्का फुल्का खाना खाया. Number 5 is jam. He got stuck in traffic jam. वो ट्रैफिक जैम में फंस गया. Number 6 is bolt, handle या बान. The bolt of this door is broken. इस दरवाजे का हैंडल या बान टूट चुका है.